it's Marcy. I'm here to show you the March freebies for my Facebook group that match. Every month you can get freebies, and by the end of the year, then at the end of the year, you'll have 2 full journals. And because the first theme is pink shabby flowers, pink shabby floral. And this month we have the journaling cards. So you get all these cards. I think there's 7, 2, 4, 2, 6, 7. Right, 7 cards in different sizes. And so you have for the tall journals and also for the wider ones. Okay, and then 3 little tickets. They're so cute. And then a little tiny flower. These are the florals, and it matches the previous month's sets. So last month we had tags, and I made these tags with my freebies. And in January we had the lace sample card set. So you can use it to put in like scrappy bits or pieces of fabric and lace or whatever you want, papers and fabrics, whatever you want. Okay, so the way you get these is you join my Facebook group. The link is below in the description of this video, and you come in and you get the link to download everything. Now, some people have said they have problems. I have the files are on Google Drive, and some people have problems. So I have 2 choices. You can have, there's a zip file and there's also a PDF. The PDF, if you have trouble downloading from Google Drive, you can send me an email, marcycoatedesigns@gmail.com. And if you're not sure how to spell that, just come in the group and let me know. And I'll give you the email address, and I can email you the files, the PDF. Okay. So so here is there's each month there are 2 themes. There's the shabby pink florals, and then there's the vintage sewing in neutral colors. These are the journal cards for March for that theme. So you get 2 every month. You get 2 sets of freebies. You get the set for the vintage sewing and the neutral colors, and then you get the set for the shabby pink florals. So these are the cards and the tickets for March. And I don't know what happened to the little square one. It's around here somewhere, but anyway. So that's March. And last month, February, was the tags. Here are the tags. I layered them up. I like to layer them. Oh, here's the little pair of scissors for March that goes with the journal cards. And so that was February with the tags. And then January was the lace. Oops, that's a tag. Oh, this is all mixed up here. And January was the lace sample cards, which you can use. I call them lace sample cards, but you can use them for whatever you want. It's just it's like a tag, a long, tall tag shape with the top folded over. And then you can put whatever you want in here. Okay? So please look at the links below and join the Facebook group and get your links, or send me an email, and I will get you your freebies. And it's never too late to get the past month. So, you know, even if you come in now and you don't have January, February, that's okay. I can, you know, you can get them all. They're still available. So what will happen is at the end of the year, we'll have enough things to make 2 journals, 1 in each theme. Now, next month will be April. We will have pockets and envelopes. And then May, we'll start the journal pages. I'll have a set of journal pages in May and a set in June. So, and they will both be, they will be for both themes and in a tall and landscape versions for both. So you actually have 4 sets of journal pages. Okay, to the tall and the wide for the vintage sewing and the tall and the wide for the pink. Okay, so hope you join us and have a great day or night wherever you are. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.